This is JSC from International. Now I will show you how to use our powder assembly machine, this touch screen. Okay, this is a Weixin system. So right now I will show you. This is this one actually is this application, okay, software, and this one inside we have this formula inside. Okay, normally we enter from top side. When this machine on and it was automatically open normally. Red light turn off. Okay, red light you will see here. When they enter the system, we'll see here we change languages. Here, English. Okay. And then we have, you will see we have this display and this main controller page, operation page, and the user interface. This one should is log in here, log in with this engineer. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then log in. But this one just for our engineer, not for your technician. Okay, so we can use the hairs with this one, but normally we don't need this inside. We just use this one, display. Display, this is ours use this page. And then you will see we have this parameter setting, this template setting, and match degree setting, hairs. And then you will see here's parameter setting inside, password 1 2 3, 1 2 3, okay, and then confirm. This one where you will see we have this some parameters I will show you. This the first one you will see this is a lift powder peak height. This one it means powder pick up. Pick up this powder, this height. Normally just this powder thickness. Okay. Just powder thickness like this 2 millimeter or 1.2. Normally we use this set this parameters like this 1.2, something like this. If it 1.2, something like this. For example, we can change. You will see here. We can change this. We can change it like this one, like this. 1.2. So okay, after that we can confirm. Okay, parameter confirm. This one it means you will see lift powder peak height, and then peak height from here. This robot down to this height. It's up, numbers bigger, down, numbers smaller. Okay, so this is about this one. And then this is red one. This is red powder peak height, not this place, peak height. And this is a powder, lift powder place height, and red powder place height. Place height it means when we this one put it powders inside, we should use this case here. So we put this height. So move here down this height. So pick from here height, and then move to here this height. Okay, so it means from here to here down to this position. So or normally just this powder case this height. So this is lift powder place height, and this red powder this place height. And then lift powder place position and red powder place position. This one it means you will see the 1 and 2. And also is here like this 1 and 2. This one is for this two cavity powder. For example, we will put this two cavity. So we make this robot. This one is number 1. This is number 2. So we make this one 1. When it's left, put 1, or it's right, put 1, and then pick this left, put 2. So we can do this right, put 1, and left, put 2. So every time pick from this right, put number 1, and pick from this left, put number 2. So we can set this like this. You will see. So this is place position. Okay, just something like this cavities position. We can, if you 3 cavity is 1 2 3, something like this. Okay, and the left powder place on and off. If for example we just use this one, we just on and left on, and then right off. Well, we can also do this left off, right on. So 1 is on, 0 is off. For example, I just want to use this place left powder place. So we just turn off, red turn off. You say 0, something like this. Okay, and then this is robot speed and the camera detection range. This one you loaded to adjustment, and the powder conveyor speed normally also you loaded the adjustment, and the fading powder conveyor times. Fading powder, this one fading conveyor powder. When there have no powder, and then it was automatic fading. So every time fading is speed, fading the length, something like this. We can see this fading length, so powder conveyor fading time. So this is length, fading more longer or shorter, so like this one. And this is a powder case conveyor for this one. This one conveyor, okay? This one we can use this separate function, just like a conveyor without robot. So we can use this function. For example, in connection with the other production line. So you just, for example, you will see, you turn on, it was running. So this machine, something like this, conveyor running, okay? So you can see we turn off, and then 0, and then it was off. It was be off, okay? So we can choose from here, and also 1 and 2 for its parameters. And then this is left powder X position offset. This one normally we don't need to do something offset. We just keep this 0. Right one X position offset. This one just for some special shape. We do some small adjustment. Square and round don't need to do any this offset. And left powder Y position up and down. It means right powder Y position up and down. This one just consider about this step powder. For example, this 2 cavity, 1 cavity is downside. Or another one's upside a little. So this one will have this 2 position, okay, offset. And the left powder peak range, and right powder peak range also is for this. This one when we do this model, when we start beginning, for example, powder, when we do like when we create this logo like this, especially logo like this, we should do a small adjustment. But if at the beginning we do this model, we put this powder like this straight. Like keep straight. So we don't do this, we just say 0 is okay. Okay? And the powder case heat and the left powder brightening. This one no need to set any set, okay? And the left powder brightness, and this is just for this night. This night we also don't need to do this one, okay? This is brightness no need to set. And then left powder log switch. If your powder have this log, so you can open logo. This right is 0. If open, so this powder have logo, you can detect this log. And the red powder log switch also. If you have this number 1, it means it was use this log direction. This direction is detect. And this is left powder shape. For example, you will say round is round circle, and the red is 1 is a square. Okay, and also you will see we have tips. Something like this. 0 is close and 1 is open, and like this shape, it means 0 is circle and then 1 is square. Okay, so this is about this parameters page. And then this page later I will show you how to running. This is how to create a mode. This is create a mode. Let me show you. Okay, and then this one you will see is 1, 2, 3. And also this one you don't need to do this annual adjustment. You will see, but we have this parameters here. You will see this powder case match. This is left powder case match. This is right powder match. This one you don't need to see this parameters. Okay, this is range. And also left powder this angle and right powder angle. You will see round one is 0, 0, and square one is minus 14, 45, and 2 this is 55. Rectangle is minus 19 to 90, and a special shape it was minus 180 to this 180. Okay, so this is about this parameters page running. Next, I will show you this one. This is how to create a mode for different formula.